Hi everyone, welcome back to Loopla Crochet Studio. Today we will be making a small swat using the loop stitch, also called the forest stitch. This is a fun texture stitch that creates fluffy loops. You can leave long or trim down for a furry effect. Step 1, make your foundation chains. You can make any amount of chains you wish. Today I'll be making 16 foundation chains. After you make the foundation chains, you turn your work and put a single crochet in the second stitch from the chain and the hook, and make a single crochet into each loop until you reach the end. This will create a base for you to make the loop stitch in. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert your hook and wrap the yarn around your index finger. Grab both loops, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook, similar to making a single crochet. Insert your hook, wrap the yarn around your index finger from back to front, pull both strands of the yarn through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, similar to making a single crochet. Continue across, making all the loops, and at the end you'll make a chain 1 and turn. For the next row, you will make single crochets, and at the end you chain 1 and turn, and then you could continue making more loops. And when you're done, you could fasten off, and that's the loop stitch. You can leave the loop as they are, as loopy. It gives a shaggy texture, or you could carefully trim them with the scissors for a softer fur look. And that's it. A simple loop stitch swat. It's perfect for practice, and it can be used in fun projects like rugs, stuffed animals, and even fluffy trim. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.